G'day guys, my name is CJ. This one's going to be a shorter one, and for some, that's going to be a good thing. But in any case, it's Techtober, and yes, it's finally here. The Pixel 5 is finally in my hands, and the 4a 5G will be here shortly too. But for now, I've been put under strict instructions by Google not to say anything about these new Pixel phones. I can't even give you my initial thoughts. But what I can do is unbox this beauty and show you what we're dealing with. So, let's take a look. Like with the 4a, Google's made a pretty cool case made from recyclable plastic that's machine washable. And they've bundled one with the review sample too. Keep an eye out for this in the review. And of course, the star of the show, the Pixel 5. Now, as far as boxes go, it's pretty unmistakable, indicating the number 5 and of course the 5G capability. And as far as unboxings go, the lid is one of the easier ones to slide off without much shaking required, which is really nice. We've got the phone, and we'll get to it in a second, but inside you've got some standard paperwork with the bundled SIM ejector tool. No clear case though, like we often see with Chinese brands or Samsung Galaxy phones in Australia. Would have been nice to see other brands doing so, but I digress. You've also got a USB-C to C cable, which is pretty standard these days, unless you buy a product from a certain fruit company, Apple. And you've also got a USB-C to A OTG adapter for all your connectivity needs, because we live in 2020 and, well, we all still need a USB-A connection every now and then. Then you've got a set of USB-C earbuds in the same shape as the OG Pixel Buds, which from past experience is alright, not groundbreaking though. And then of course, you've got the charging brick. And now finally, the Pixel 5. That will never get old. And then, the phone itself. Pretty straightforward. What do you guys think of the Pixel 5? It would have been nice to have had the sort of Sage version in my hands too, but this is going to do perfectly fine. So here's the phone with the screen on, and then here's the back with its new camera module and side profile. And here's some short B-roll of the Pixel 5. Enjoy. And that's pretty much it. No impressions, no thoughts, no bullshit. Just the unboxing. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I'm going to be doing an initial impressions, a full review, maybe some camera comparisons. Basically, I'm going to be doing a whole bunch of videos relating to the new Pixel line of phones. If you're keen to see those videos, do remember to subscribe. If you enjoyed what you saw today, give us a like, that would be much appreciated. And of course, ding the bell icon so you don't miss out on any future videos. As again, thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. And of course, stay safe and say good day to your mum for me. Cheers.